Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. We have two questions of integration in which we have discussed the substitution method and how we have to apply this method. We are going to explain this one. This is x square minus 2 e of x cube minus 6x plus 4. So this is x cube minus 6x plus 4. When we have to find out its derivative is x square minus 2, or we will adjust x square minus 2 here. That means this is the function and x square minus 2 its derivative here. So x cube minus 6x plus 4, we have to separate, and this is x square minus 2 into dx. Now we have to suppose that its function, it is equals to t, that is x cube minus 6x plus 4, and then we have to differentiate with respect to x. So this is d over dx of t and d over dx of x cube minus 6x plus 4. So the derivative of dt is dt over dx. Derivative of x cube, its coefficient is 1, so 3 ones are 3. Coefficient will multiply with the x and decreases 1 from the power, that is 2. Minus 6, the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of 4 is 0. Here the derivative of x cube is 3x square. Coefficient will multiply with the power and decreases 1 from the power. This is the method to find out the derivative here. The derivative of x is 1, so this is minus 6. This is constant 4, its derivative is 0. So just we have to take out 3 common here, x square minus 2x into dx. This dx we have to shift here. Now this is x square minus 2 of dx. This is its derivative. Constant can be transferable, so we have to shift this constant 3 to the left hand side. So this is x square minus 2 of dx. Now the question become, this is e, we have to suppose x cube minus 6x plus 4, it is equals to t, and this is x square minus 2 of dx, that is equals to dt over 3. So before finding its integration, we have to write down the constant outside the integration sign here. So this is e of t dt, and now this is e1 upon 3, and integration of e of t remains same. Integration of e of x remains same, so we have to apply this formula here. So just we have to put the value t. What is t? X cube minus 6x plus 4, we have to put the value here, plus c. So this is the answer of this question by using substitution method. Now again the same method with trigonometric function, substitution method. So here sine square x, and here it is in index 3, so the value of this will be 1 over 3 of cos x dx. So this 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3, so that will be sine square (2 over 3) of cos x. Dear students, we are going to discuss the substitution method. In the previous question, we have discussed algebraic expressions there, equations there, and here we are going to discuss trigonometric substitution method. This is sine x. The derivative of sine x is cos x. It means this is function and it is its derivative here. So this is, we have to suppose that sine x, not with power, only the function, and then differentiate with respect to x. So when the function with its derivative is given, then we have to use this strategy there. So this is d over dx of t, and this is d over dx of sine x. So dt over dx, the derivative of sine x, it is cos x. The derivative of sine x, it is cos x. So the value of dt is cos x or dx. Now come to this question again here. What is sine x? Sine x is t with whole power 2 upon 3, and this is cos x of dx, it is equals to dt. Now integrate with respect to t here. And this is the simple integration, 2 over 3 plus 1 and divided by its results, 3 ones are 3, 2, 5 over 3. And plus c is the constant of integration. So this is 3 over 5 t power 5 over 3 plus c, and now we have to put the value of t here, that is 3 over 5, and what is t? T is sine x, (5 upon 3) plus c. So this is the answer of this question. Trigonometric function substitution method, when the function, it is given, it's given derivative here, so we have to suppose that function. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Allah Hafiz.